Hello there. My name is Chris Borum and I'm the Group Head of Business Development at Highworth Cyprus Limited. In this short video, I would like to share with you my thoughts and insights on the topic of trust and how to find answers to important questions, such as how can I secure certain assets I would like to pass to my children and separate them from my everyday business? How can I ensure that upon passing away, my children will have access to funds the day after? Or how the running of my business operations can continue without interruption? How can I ensure that certain investments can be dedicated to a specific cause? Over the course of time, these important questions have become even more relevant due to the challenges facing us from the coronavirus pandemic. It is no secret, not something new, that trusts are indeed a powerful tool and have been a means of ensuring asset protection, confidentiality, management of family wealth, estate and succession planning. A trust is basically a special type of an agreement which specifies the following 4 points. 1. The trust assets may include all kinds of assets and property anywhere in the world. For example, bank deposits, real estate, securities, business interests, insurance policies, jewellery and any kind of personal property. 2. Who will manage the trust assets? 3. Who the beneficiaries are. And 4. The terms under which the trustee will act on behalf of the beneficiaries of the trust. Now, in this last point, we are distinguishing the 3 main parties involved in the trust: the trustee, the beneficiary or beneficiaries, and the settlor. The trustee is the person who will take possession of the trust assets and is responsible for holding the trust assets for the benefit of the beneficiaries under the terms of the trust. The trustee is prohibited from benefiting in any way from the assets of the trust. All benefits resulting from the trust assets are for the beneficiaries, the persons receiving the benefits of the trust assets. The person who creates the trust is the settlor. Setting up a trust is simpler than you may think and has many important advantages, such as confidentiality. The law includes specific confidentiality obligations on all participants to keep information and details of the trust confidential. Strict exceptions apply only when a court of law requires the disclosure of specific information on specific circumstances. Secondly, safeguarding the validity of the trust. Some civil law jurisdictions have rules of inheritance law which potentially conflict with the trust concept. The Cypriot law provides that a Cyprus court will not enforce the inheritance rules of any other third country in order not to upset the validity of an international trust. Thirdly, duration. The Cyprus law does not pose any limit on the period for which trust continues to be valid. And finally, the taxation issues, which will depend on the actual residency of the beneficiaries. A Cyprus International Trust provides a significant number of tax advantages. All that I have said is just a brief summary of key points on setting up a Cyprus International Trust, a vehicle which may be most suitable for you and your clients' needs. Due to the vast variety of concepts that trusts can have, each case can have specific characteristics and therefore is examined separately. For more information on specific requirements and the roles of each party in a trust, and mainly that the settlor can have, we are offering a free consultation session during which we will be happy to share additional information on a specific case that you might be considering. Please feel free to email me directly on the address shown below to arrange a private and secure tele or video conference. Thank you for listening and stay safe.